Hello, my name is Chris, Master Technician here at Eastleigh. In this short video, I'm going to give you a quick explanation into what a health check is, why we carry it out, and what items are checked. As experts in the motor trade, we see it as our duty of care to check over the safety items, to give you peace of mind, to make sure your car is roadworthy, safe and legal to drive on the road. So, what is actually checked on the vehicle health check? Well, to begin with, all exterior lights are checked, front and rear, and along with the washer and wiper operation. After those checks, we're going to go underneath the bonnet. We'll check the antifreeze strength, the brake fluid level, the screen wash and oil level. And as we're checking out these levels, we're also checking for general wear and tear and damage to under the bonnet items. So after the under the bonnet checks have been carried out, car's up in the air, we're going to check the wheels, tyres, brakes and suspension. First of all, we're going to check the tyres out using a tyre tread gauge. We're going to mark the tyre in 3 different places to give us an accurate reading. After the tyre check, we're going to move on to the brake pads. We're going to use the gauge to measure the brake pad thickness and then convert it into an easy to understand percentage that's left on the brake pads. We'll do that on the front wheels and the back. Moving on to the suspension components, we're going to check front and rear suspension, all the ball joints, the spring assembly, dampers, and obviously the bushes for wear and tear. So after all the major checks have been carried out, we're just going to do a final check over, making sure there's no damage or any other issues anywhere underneath the car. So that completes our check. If you have any more questions, your local Hendy service centre will be happy to help. That's Hendy's